If you look at the leaves here,
Yeah.
and if you smell these leaves, they won't have the same smell. They are much more leathery, and the leaf base is like in a heart shape. And these ones are completely different if you look at that. Okay? And if you crush these leaves, you get that nice, fresh green peas smell. And this you won't get. So it's actually two species of fig trees growing next to one another in one another's branches. And this is something very special.
And that's
This is something very special. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can count 7 fairly sizable tree trunks. And the wonderboom is also, there's the old wonderboom one. It was the old complex. You can see some of them have died off. And this one here as well, also a fairly new one. If you can go here into this tree up there, up